Hello, how's it going? Look, we're going to make this tuna melt today, but it's kind of got a spicy kind of little vibe to it, a little bit of an Indian twist to it. It's really, really delicious. So we've got things like cheddar cheese in this mix, a little bit of bell pepper, a little bit of onion, a little bit of green chili, a little bit of cilantro, some cream cheese and some mayo, just all kind of small amounts of it. I mean, you can really adjust this to how you want. And of course, I'll show you the can of tuna or the tin of tuna that I'm using. With the spices, I've got salt, pepper, chili powder, turmeric, cumin and coriander powder. I've only got like a kind of a quarter teaspoon of each. Very simply, we're going to get a bowl, we're going to drop it all in, and we're going to give it a nice little mix. So we can set this aside now, just pop it in the fridge for a moment. Okay, so we're going to need a pan, and I've got a nice kind of piece of butter in there that I'm going to melt down. Once that's melted, I'm going to take a white slice of bread. We're going to do 2 of these. Basically what we're going to do is fry them until they're kind of golden brown on each side, and then we can just set them aside. So while the second slice is frying, let's start on the first one. I've got a layer of cheese there. I'm using a Gouda, but you could use any other type of sliced cheese that you want. And then we're going to put a thin layer of the tuna onto that cheese there. And what we're going to do is try and get all the edges, try and get it a nice smooth, even, thin slice. Because what we're going to do next is we're going to add another slice of cheese and then repeat with another layer of the tuna. Once we've done that, what we're going to do then is we're going to take the second slice, pop that on top, and then we're going to go back to the pan. Now I've just cleaned the pan out because the butter in there is kind of, a little bit burnt now. I've put a little bit of oil in there, a little bit of olive oil. So we pop it in, we put a lid on it, we keep it nice and low now. And after like 2 to 3 minutes, what I'm going to do is just turn it over, lid back on, another couple of minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. That's it, we've done it. It's absolutely delicious. I hope you enjoy that. You keep safe, you keep well, and I'll see you soon. Lots of love. And please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment. That really does help the kind of algorithm and give us a bit of Google love. Do you know what I mean?